Good evening. I am Dr. K.V. Balasubramanian, retired meteorologist. Today is 25th May and the time of recording of this video is 1847. That is evening 6:47. This is my first video for this year on the topic weather. For the past 2 to 3 weeks, Tamilnadu has been experiencing variety of weather. First, it was very hot weather. Interior districts of Tamil Nadu was experiencing very high maximum temperatures, day temperatures, especially the districts of Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Dharmapuri and all were experiencing about 40 degrees Celsius for almost 10 to 13 days continuously. Then came the rain. First, initially it was a cyclonic circulation over the Comorin area of the sea. So it brought rain in South Tamil Nadu, districts like Thuthukudi, Tirunelveli, Tenkasi, Kanyakumari districts were getting rain. This circulation moved to the Arabian Sea and another circulation came. It was extending up to North Tamil Nadu coast. So some of the delta districts were also getting heavy rain. I was seeing unprecedented rainfall in the district of Namakkal, which is not a coastal district, which is not a Western Ghats district. But on one particular day, Namakkal district got moderate to heavy rain in a widespread area of the district. Then now, today we have got rainfall only in Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Tenkasi districts. Other districts are practically dry. That is because of the system that has formed over the Bay of Bengal. It formed as a low pressure area of Tamil Nadu South Andhra coast. And initially the models were showing that it was moving north, parallel to the coast and maybe crossing in North Andhra or Orissa coast. However, it did not happen. Now it has moved northeastwards and went to central Bay of Bengal and has become a depression, deep depression. It is expected to become a cyclone very soon, and the name Remal will be given to that cyclone. And then it is expected to move northwards and cross West Bengal, Bangladesh coast by 26th morning. So in this video, I am going to tell what can be the effect of weather, effect on weather of Tamil Nadu due to the cyclone. What will be the direction and movement of the cyclone till tomorrow evening. Then how these cyclones are happening during the month of April and May. So I have something to share with you. So if you see the rainfall today, Kanyakumari district, Mailadi has recorded 10 centimeter rain. Ambalathuraiyaru, Kanyakumari district again 9 centimeter. Aanaikidangu, Balamur, Takkalai, Kanyakumari district. Theni district of Periyar, this is the Western Ghats district, 8 each. Then Nalumukku, Ooth of Tirunelveli district, Kottaram, Nagarkoil, Perenjani Dam, Puttan Dam, Surlakodu of Kanyakumari district, 7 each, like that. Mostly Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Tenkasi, then some small western districts, Western Ghats districts. Some areas of Coimbatore also, we are seeing the rainfall. Then, if you see the how the India Meteorological Department has given the position and forecast for the tropical cyclone that is likely to become a tropical cyclone. The position is based on 6 UTC, that is 11:30 IST of today, 25th May. So this is moving initially northeastward and then practically northwards and likely to cross West Bengal, Bangladesh coast. So the forecast will be fine-tuned still by tomorrow morning. Whenever a cyclonic storm forms in Bay of Bengal, it pulls winds from Arabian Sea through the peninsular area to the system core. So it will strengthen the southwest monsoon winds. Actually, southwest monsoon onset over Kerala can be declared as per Anantakrishnan criteria. The basic criteria Mr. Anantakrishnan has told is the rainfall in 14 stations of Kerala subdivision, that includes Amini, Minikoi, and there are 14 stations in Kerala subdivisions. At least 60% of these stations record 2.5 mm rainfall on 2 consecutive days. Then monsoon should be declared on the second day. This is the criteria, and this criteria should be followed from 10th May. So, as per this criteria, southwest monsoon can set on 10th May also. So, what are all these 14 stations? Minikai, Amini, Thiruvananthapuram, Punalur, Kollam, Alapuzha, Kottayam, Kochi, Thrissur, Kozhikode, Teliseri, Kannanur, Kasaragod, and Bangalore. So, these are the 14 stations. Among them, 60%. If they record 2.5 mm rainfall on 2 consecutive days, the monsoon should be declared on the second day if some other conditions are there, if they are all fulfilled. What are all they? Wind field depth of westerlies should be maintained up to 600 HPA level in a box equator to latitude 10° north, longitude 55° to 80° east. So here, if we see, this is the 600 HPA level. Today's analysis I am showing you based on the 0 UTC 5:30 hours morning observations. You can see winds coming from Pakistan via the central India north. Easterly winds are seen in the Arabian Sea. So the westerly winds have not been penetrated up to the level of 600 HPA even today. And if you continuously say, then this is next day on 26th, this is on 27th, slowly westerly winds are seen, but it is seen only up to 6° north, something like that. Then here also it is up to 6° north. This is 29. Slowly it is going up to 10° north. That is why IMD has told that monsoon will set around 31st May in Kerala. And around the time, we are seeing a small vortex also of Karnataka coast. So this will give very copious rainfall in Kerala and Karnataka. Now, what is the condition of this cyclone? You can see in 600, the circulation is extending up to 12 kilometers. 600 kilometer HBA is about 5 kilometers level. So even at that level, you can see a very strong circulation. So this is 26th May. On 26th May, the at 26th May morning 5:30. The forecast position is very close to West Bengal, Bangladesh coast with very strong winds. Okay. So what is the so this is the cyclone forecast given by IMD. So they are telling the deep depression over east central Bay of Bengal moved nearly northwards with a speed of 11 kmph during the past 6 hours and lay centered at 06 UTC of 25th May in the same region near latitude 16.2° north. This is north of Chennai latitude. Okay. And longitude 88.7°, 89.7°, about 420 kilometers south of Kepura, Bangladesh, about 420 kilometers southeast of Sagar Islands in West Bengal, and about 460 kilometers southwest of Kenam in West Bengal. It is very likely to continue to move nearly northwards and intensify into a cyclonic storm over East Central and Andaman North Bay, adjoining North Bay, and around 25th May evening, that is today, around 18 GMT, they will declare it as a cyclone. When it is declared as a cyclone, then the name Remal will be given. Now, the name is to be told only when the system becomes a cyclone, but names of the cyclones are already available in website of IMD as well as in Information Bureau. So the who should give first information? Who should give the information first? That competition is there among the media So 10 days before they are searching for the name for the cyclone and telling the name even when the low pressure area has not formed. So the name Remal is widely popularized now. This name is given by Oman, the country Oman. Meaning of this name is sand. So this cyclonic storm further will move northwards and it would intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by 26th morning and cross Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coast between Sagar Island in West Bengal and Kepura in Bangladesh by 26th May midnight as a severe cyclonic storm with wind speed of 110 to 120 gusting to 135 kmph. So the latitude, longitude, position, the intensity and all is given in this table. So how they have uh, uh, arrived at a conclusion is also given here, and they have given the wind warning in Bay of Bengal, squally wind speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph, gusting to 70 kmph is prevailing over Central Bay of Bengal. It is likely to become gale wind speed reaching 60 to 70 kmph, gusting to 80 kmph from 12 UTC of today. So if any ship is traveling around this area, they are supposed to go away from the center of the storm. Latitude, longitude is already given, so they should move away from the center of the storm. Fishermen have already been told 2 days back to come back to the shore. So I hope all the fishermen from the Indian states would have come back to the shore safely. And further, the for different parts of the country, warnings are given here. Then how we have come to a conclusion that this will become cyclone, this will become very severe cyclone, this will become severe cyclone and all. For that explanation is given here. Number one, Madden-Julian oscillation index should have should be in one particular phase and we should have a very good amplitude. So it is said here that it is in phase 4 with amplitude more than 1, which is conducive for the formation of cyclone and intensification. Then strong easterly winds of 5 to 7 MPS are likely to prevail over North Bay of Bengal during 3 days in the lower tropospheric levels, that is north of the system center. In the same way, south it will be strong westerly winds. So both these things are indicated here. The tropical cyclone heat potential is more than 100 kilojoules per centimeter square over major parts of the Bay of Bengal. It is indicating slightly decreased tendency towards the North Bay of Bengal along the coast. Sea surface temperature is around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius over the entire Bay of Bengal. So this all includes when the system is in sea, it will get intensified. When it is going closer to the coast, it may weaken slightly. Considering the environmental condition, low level vorticity is same and is about to 150 to 200 10 power minus 8 per second. The south of system center over East Central Bay of Bengal with vertical extension up to 200 XBA level. Convergence is about 20 into 10 power 8 per second. And this is under the influence of the upper tropospheric ridge at 200 HBA located at 7.5 degree north. And because of that, it is moving towards north. So if we again see the charts, So if we again see the chart, that is, this is the 200 HPA level. This is considered to be the shading level. You can see some sort of disturbance here. That is, the circulation associated with the cyclone extends up to 200 HPA level. And here the wind is, you can see here. This is the this ridge line is running somewhere here. Okay. So this westerly winds turning into that subtropical westerly jet here, and these winds are because of the so you can see the turning here and you can see the training here. If you join these two things, you will get that ridge, and because it is in the periphery of the ridge, this will move towards north. So this is what is the forecast they are giving. So with all these conditions, it is expected cyclonic storm to become a severe cyclonic storm and cross West Bengal, Bangladesh coast between Sagar Island and Kepura in Bangladesh as a severe cyclonic storm. If that is the case, it's going West Bengal and Bangladesh will be having heavy winds, torrential rains, and storm surge also. Suitable warnings have been given in our IMD bulletin. What will happen to Tamil Nadu or southern states weather condition? Tamil Nadu, the southern districts, Tenkasi, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Kanyakumari, these districts may have rain, light to moderate rain from today till the crossing of the cyclonic storm. Kerala and Karnataka, the area between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, the coastal districts may get moderate to heavy rainfall, widespread areas in many places with isolated very heavy rainfall also, because strong winds are being pulled from Arabian Sea to the core of the system. And actually, just before the recording of this particular video, I that is in Perambur, where I live, we experienced thunderstorm for about 5 to 10 minutes and then drizzle for about 20 minutes afterwards. So from morning to evening, it was fully covered. The sky was fully covered with clouds, but there was no scope for rain because strong winds were prevailing, which were going towards the core of the cyclonic storm, taking all the moisture from here. There was some reduction in the speed somewhere around the evening. Because of that, thunderstorm cells have developed, and it has given a rain in a small packet of Chennai city. And Chennai may have hot days because of the westerly winds that are coming from the Arabian Sea. These westerly winds will be having full moisture, no doubt, but all the moisture will be drained out and it will be raining in the area between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. And then crossing the Western Ghats, when it enters into the land in Tamil Nadu area, it will be a dry, hot wind. Because of that, the temperature may rise in interior Tamil Nadu as well as coastal Tamil Nadu. Actually, Chennai, I think around 39.5 degrees Celsius temperature was recorded today. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for the next 3 or 4 days, we may touch 40, 41. Then when the southwest monsoon actually sets in on 31st May 2024, again 2 or 3 days, this high temperature high day temperature may continue in Tamil Nadu. Afterwards, the southwest monsoon thunderstorm clouds, evening thunderstorm clouds may form, and even Chennai also may get evening thunderstorms. So this is the condition. We are having a cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal. It may become a cyclonic storm by 12 UTC. IMD may announce in 1 or 2 hours. The likely name to be given is Remal. This name is given by the country Oman. The meaning of this word is sand. This cyclonic storm Remal is likely to move near northwards and become a severe cyclonic storm, maybe very severe cyclonic storm also, and cross as a severe cyclonic storm, not very severe, is severe only. Cross as a severe cyclonic storm between Sagar Islands in West Bengal and Kepura in Bangladesh. It may bring heavy rain, torrential rains, storm surge. Authorities have already been warned. People may keep themselves safe. Thank you.